This is my best friend's hair back in 2016, and this is her hair now. Okay, so we're at the salon. Let's see. Today, oh, your hat fell off. That's how we feel about the weather today. The weather is confused, like I am right now. So it's reflecting. It's windy. I've never been to Chicago, but maybe feels like a Chicago day. It's snowing and raining all at the same time, and the gas prices are high. I'm getting ready to head over to the salon, drop off some tax paperwork, all the fun stuff, and we're gonna do best friend's hair today. She's one of my favorite humans on the planet, so I'm excited. What she doesn't know is that she's also gonna help me set up the couch and maybe the facial bed if she has time. We did our first client yesterday in the salon, first official client. His mom was definitely number one, of course, and she loved it. She loved the shampoo basin. But mom's like, my mom at least, like, my parents are just so cute and like Cosby, Huxtable in a way. Let's say Huxtable. I came from the Huxtable family for sure. And yeah, so they love everything. They're so supportive, and so is my husband. So it's good to get feedback from an outsider. But Sam, she loves me too. So but she did give me some ideas, and I love getting client input from the salon perspective because they're the ones that are going to be enjoying the fruit of this decorating labor. So I wanted to make sure that they enjoy it. Sorry for the glare. I also have to book an eye appointment today. So today's just about to get it, like those little kind of things done, but also just spending some time with my girl.
Mom.
Hey, yes. Uh-oh. Got your lollipop?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're at the salon. Let's see. Today, oh, your hat fell off. That's how we feel about the weather today. The weather is confused, like I am right now. So it's reflecting. It's windy. I've never been to Chicago, but maybe feels like a Chicago day. It's snowing and raining all at the same time, and the gas prices are high. I don't know why I just added that, but it's just the truth. Okay, so we cleaned up, of course, because you should always clean up after yourself, even if you're working by yourself, because nothing's like coming into a clean space. Yes, honey? We're gonna get this space looking like Pinterest, like my Pinterest board, and I'll show you guys how I organize my Pinterest and my thoughts and the space, and try to think of everything. So